Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix disk write error on Steam. I have few solutions for you, and in this video I will show you how you can do that. So the first one, you need to open Steam client, and then on the top left you should see Steam button. You need to press on that and then press exit Steam, right? And once you do that, then you need to go to search, and you just need to look for Steam and right click on it and run as administrator. And it should probably fix the problem, but if it's not, then you need to go to library, select the game that you want to install, and then right click on it and then go to properties, and then look for local files and press on verify integrity of game files. So this is the second solution. And if it's not working as well, you need to do the second step. You need to simply go to Steam settings and then go to downloads and make sure that your download region is right. For me, I'm living in Lithuania, so it's right for me. But if you live in other countries, make sure that the download region is right for you. And also you can clear a download cache here and then press OK. And also, if it's not working, you need to do another step. So you need to go to uninstall apps and features, and then go to uninstalling apps and apps and features, and then just uninstall the Steam and then just download it again and install it, and it should work, right? So these are these few solutions I hope will help you, and if it did, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.